Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing pretty well. Today's actually Sunday, March 9th, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video. And before we do that, I want to kind of just make a quick little announcement, and I think people in Canada are going to be pretty happy with this. I now have a discount code to Carzilla. You can use my discount code MikeG to save 5% off your order. So whether you go in store or online, or if you're in the States and you want to order through Carzilla, you can use my discount code, which will save you 5% off your order at any time. The reason for that is Chris reached out to me via email, and he stated that he was getting referrals for products that I was showing on the channel here up at his store. Now, I didn't have a discount code set up. Now I do, so that kind of should help you going forward to save you some money. And as part of a welcoming, Chris actually sent me a box of goodies. I did not look at what he sent, because I know he sent the order form or whatever, you know, the billing thing here, but I didn't want to look at it because I was like, let me be surprised with what comes through. And so let's take a look at the package here and kind of just see what we got going forward. So let me turn this over a bit. Hopefully I'm not blinding you guys. Let's go ahead and open this, and we'll see what kind of goodies we received here. First of all, it's packaged really nice. So let me take out all the sprayers first, because there's like a few sprayers in here. So let's get these out of the way. And here's the thing: I just cleaned out the cabinets here. I threw a bunch of stuff that I hadn't used in a long time. I just kind of threw that stuff out. I was like, let me just get rid of some stuff, because I was running out of room. Okay, so let's take a look here. Let's just grab some products here. Okay, so he sent the Geon iron, their new redefined iron remover here. He sent out the total remover, sealant and coating remover from Geon, which is this guy here. Okay, he sent their iron wheel cleaner redefined here, so he sent me this one. That's another one from the Geon line. He sent me Geon Purify Coat here, so we'll check this out at some point. He sent me the Geon odor removal, or odor remover. So we'll see how this works. He sent me Purify Maintain. So I guess you would use this as your base layer, and they would use this to maintain it. So he sent me that. Okay, he sent me Bolo Solution Pro ceramic coating here. So I saw my buddy Frank over at Detail and Dogma was using this one. He sent me Bolo Solution Maximizer ceramic spray sealant, which is in this little bottle here. Pretty cool little bottle. New bottle of Geon Cure Redefined. So if you've used Cure before, this is a good product here to maintain your ceramic coating. Geon Eco Wash, again the rinseless wash, waterless wash. Bolo Solution Series Maximizer. This is their graphene spray coating. I guess that's what this is. And which one was this one here? Ceramic spray sealant was the other one. Okay, we have another Bolo Solution. This is Ultra Slick sealant. So he sent me this. And we have Bolo Solution sealant. This is P17 sealant add ceramic. So I'll have to look into all these. I have no idea what these are for. But here's another one here. So one's P17S Ultra Slick, and the other one's P17 add ceramic. So I don't know what the difference is between that. And then finally, he sent me the Geon odor remover pads. These are the ones that you just slap on to different areas of your car. So he sent me that. So all some very nice products. Let me get the box out of the way from Carzilla. So let me kind of just show you guys all the stuff here on the table here. So he's going to keep me busy, kind of just looking at some stuff here. Again, he sent me the full line of some of the new Geon stuff. So again, we have the Geon iron remover here. We have their total remover, or sealant and coating remover. We have the Geon iron wheel cleaner, Eco Wash, bottle of Geon Cure Redefine, their Purify interior coating here. This is for like antimicrobial, yeah, it's antibacterial coating. That's what that is. And then he sent the Purify Maintain to maintain that coating, and also the odor remover. So if you have like funky smells on your car, he sent me the Bowl Solution coating here. This is the Pro coating, I guess. Easiest, fastest detailed solution for professionals. So this looks like it's a SiO2 coating here. So it looks like it's a 50 ml bottle of coating in here, suedes, and an applicator pad. Actually, let's open it up, see what we get in here, because I think you get quite a bit for your money. Okay, so this is actually a pretty cool bottle here, I must admit. So you get this cool little bottle here. Let me kind of just get you out of the sun and kind of show you what this nice little glass bottle, blue. Very nice packaging here. So you get that, you get the suede, the block in here. So we'll try that out. You get the little certified sticker here. You can put your name and stuff on here. So that's pretty neat. So that's a pretty cool little coating bottle. I must admit, it's a good looking coating bottle. So we'll try this at some point. I'll have to look again. I'll have to research all the Bolo Solution stuff and kind of just see what the durability is of this. So he sent me this, and I'll have to look and see what the difference is between their P17 sealant, which says add ceramic. I have no idea what that is. And then P17 sealant, P17S says ultra slick. So what is the difference here? Because they both have the same type of numbers and things on here. He sent me their Bowl Solution, I guess it's 17Z ceramic spray sealant. It comes in this little bottle. Just a little recap here. And he sent me P27, which I believe it looks like it's graphene spray coating, which is this one here. So again, I want to thank Chris over at Carzilla for sending this stuff out, kind of just to test these things out, kind of play around with some products here, and moving forward, and we'll see how some of these are. And yeah, I'm really interested to try some of these. I've never actually used any of these here, other than I've used like the original formula for Cure, which I thought was pretty decent. I haven't used this new version, but yeah, looking forward to it. I appreciate Chris for sending this out. Again, I appreciate you guys coming along for an unboxing. I don't know how popular these unboxing videos are, but yeah, good thing I cleaned out some stuff on the shelf. Again, I threw a bunch of stuff out yesterday. Some polishes, some, I don't even know what I had in there. Some old spray sealant stuff that I never use anymore. Just some old stuff, some old APC. Just threw a bunch of stuff out to make room on the shelf, because there's just stuff, after a while you accumulate so much stuff in your product reviewer that you either use it once and then just kind of gets put back in the cabinet and just sits there for a long time, and you forget about it and you're never going to use it again. So that's why I ended up kind of cleaning through some of this stuff out yesterday. I have a little bit more to go through, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Kind of just test some of these out, and yeah, let you know what I think about some of these, and whether or not I keep them. Like for example, if I use Eco Wash here and I don't keep it, I'll let you know in the video that I do. I was like, hey, I'm going to do a giveaway. Somebody, whoever emails me, I'll send you this, something like that. Just kind of like what I did with the Grills Rinseless Wash video here, because it's not fair if I'm just going to use it once and then it just collects dust. I was like, you know what, just go ahead and give it to somebody else while it's still relatively new and fresh in the bottle. So Again, that's all I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of all these products here that were sent to me by Chris. Again, for those of you who are in Canada, should be pretty excited with the discount code coming from me to save you 5%. I think he's going to be the distributor for, or he is a distributor for Thor Canada, I believe. I forgot to ask Chris that one. He can chime in if he can. But again, going forward, you guys should be pretty happy and pretty excited. Again, you always had Alex's discount code, Doer, Bucky VW. You guys can always use his discount code as well. So again, just another discount code for you guys to use. And again, thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you next one, and take care, everyone.